Hello learners, today we will get to know about different types of chemical reaction. Now you know what is chemical reaction. Chemical reaction in which you can see the change of state, change of color, change of different states and the evolution of gas. These are the 4 points you have studied in chemical reaction. Now what do you mean by different types of chemical reaction? Now the first reaction is combination reaction, where the one reactant forms the bond with the second reactant to form the compound. This is the combination reaction, which is also known as synthesis reaction. Second type of reaction is decomposition, where the compound or the molecule Cl2 or the molecule like NaCl decomposes to form Na and Cl2 gas, like AB is converted into A and B, which will get split or decomposed into different matter or different elements. Okay, now in the third type of reaction you can say as displacement reaction. This is also known as displacement reaction. In the displacement reaction you can see like A is being forming the bond with the C after the reaction. Why it is so? Because B is being replaced by the C, because B is less reactive and the C is highly reactive, where you will learn about in the reactivity series. So C will take the place of B and B will be taken out, and A and C will form the bond and the B will be in the nascent form. Now the fourth type of reaction is double displacement, or it is also known as double replacement. Double displacement is the most famous name. Now in this reaction two compounds react and their exchange of ions occur, where you can see A is getting into the C and B is forming the bond with the D. Now A and C is forming the bond and B and D is forming the bond. Why it occurs? It occurs for the precipitation or to make a precipitate in the reaction. Double displacement reaction is also known as precipitation reaction.